Hey, what's going on, guys? Yeah, it's your trade of the day today. And guess what? It's our friendly Facebook trade, and it was a wild one today. We probably took way too many fills, and again, look, this is, again, day 2. We'll see, yesterday was absolute chaos. Snapchat came out with obviously a great report there, up 55% for Snapchat. So we were like, you know what? Let's obviously have a look at Facebook again here today. And this is, I'm back and forth here. Let's just go early, talk about what we had here written on the sticky note. We wanted this little short right there off the open. We hit that, and we did it pretty good. 234 to the downside. Out 233, out 232. And then this is where I was talking with Neil, and this is where we sort of got a little bit caught up in it, I feel anyways. It's just, it was way too choppy in here, right? And the only thing that really I should have been doing, instead of taking this long, I came in today, saw Snapchat, right? We saw Pinterest, and I was like, you know what? Maybe Facebook is too overdone. Like, reading a lot of funds want to try to buy this one. I consider Facebook right now like a value stock instead of a growth stock at its current price, including the cash that they have on hand, everything like that, the PE. I love Facebook down here, but I'm just thinking about the longs. The problem is it's pretty choppy in here. So we try a bunch of times off some of the 50 periods in the view up, doesn't really work. So let's go over to what is working. And we're still long Facebook right now. So we'll talk about that in a second. In here, and then live on the show, I said, look at all this struggle here to go long. Lots of struggle, like long, out, wrong. Long doesn't work. Long again, average in, barcode, barcode. Oh, it's near the bottom. Okay, take more, take more. Oh, it's breaking the bottom. Get out. And now we've like thrown back all the money that we've made early. And it's like, what are we even doing? And then we go, all right, let's try the short then because these longs are so hard. Look at this, instantly dollar wins right here. Bang, bang. This takes 4 minutes to get everything back. So now we're flat on Facebook. We try the long again right here. We take a little bit of profit. And then this is just as we're ending the show. It comes down to a really key level down here of 230. And this is what we have marked off right here with this blue line. We take a bid at like 230.80, something like that. And this is the truth. So I'm done the show. I'm like, all right, get a coffee, whatever. I called the wife, blah, blah, blah. I put on here a stop of 230. And as I'm leaving, I'm even telling Marissa, I'm like, hey, I'm going to get stopped out, like, as if she cares about Facebook. I'm going to get stopped out down here near 230, so I'm going for a walk. I come back in, and all of a sudden, it's like doot, 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 starts climbing and bounces right off that 230. So what did I learn from all of this? Wait for key prices. No more messing around in the middle here. We didn't need to be doing that. We wait for the key price. It comes in. It's an average price here. Takes out the 50 period. We get out. We're like, wow, this is great. Out to 232. Again, right back in this barcoding area. We don't have that crystal ball, but we did know that we wanted to hold on to something. So out, out, out. Out at VWAP up here, 233, some outs, and then guess what? We're like, no, we're gonna hold the rest of this. So we still are long right now, $10 in the money right now on Facebook. If you don't hold your longs, then you can't participate in any of this, right? If I'm getting out all up here, then I don't have the $10 winner. I think it's about time maybe we get out. That was actually went up to $11 right there. 242.50, what a great entry, or what a good opportunity to get out. It looks like we're gonna get that again. So right now, we are long down here, and just for your own sake here and just for my own trading, I'm going to try to do this a little bit more. And that is that when you get an asset like this, you can look at Square, you can look at Roblox, a couple different names that are moving around. When you know they have this upside potential, there has to be something that tells you to hold. And we were just saying, if this is the bottom, then we want to make sure that we have something for this ride up. It's a $10+ winner. It's your trade of the day, but we had to hold it, and it's on Facebook.